Hi guys, Enda here from Trendspotter, up $2,135 on one trade in NVDA. Let's dive right in. So I decided to take a few days off last week, so no trades for me. I was watching the markets, stuff like that. But back at it today anyways. In Ireland, where I am, we have a restaurant, and a lot of the pubs and restaurants are shutting down for coronavirus. So what better way to stay home, self-isolate, make loads of money. Okay, nice one. Okay, so yeah, so I was looking at Netflix, NVIDIA, Roku, and beyond. Now, I know guys in the trading room that I'm in, they were trading Apple and stuff like that. I think they got 10 points on it, something crazy. But as I was looking this morning at these, I was waiting for the first move, and as you can see here, there was no move. There was a move over here on Netflix, which I would have taken. And if you can see that there, the Netflix move preceded the Roku move. The Beyond move didn't happen until over here. Actually, technically, no, that's not true, is it? No, yeah, the Beyond move is actually a buy. I'll explain that in a minute. But anyways, NVIDIA was the first move. And there was a halt this morning as well, okay? Anyways, NVIDIA. I went long here. Simple as that. Simple as pie. 953. In we go. Long. So what happened was, this whole move was a $5.58 move, okay? I got $3.27. I'll explain why. So that's $3.27 is in here somewhere. Anyways, I got 327. So what happened was, it shot up, triggered. I went in with 1,000 shares. So on 1,000, because NVIDIA is nice and cheap now. So on 1,000 shares, when I went in, it triggered 50 cent at 500. So that was that money made. And then it came up here like that. It spiked up, and I was like, okay, I'm actually going to hold on to this and see where we can go with the other 500. And then it came back down here to the close, right? And I was like, okay, I might get out here. We'll see. I'm not going to let it go down past 216 kind of. That was my thing. So I got in here and it went up, started spiking up. I was like, oh, this is amazing. But I knew we were very extended. And then it dipped down, and I just got out at the close. And that was it. The close right there. Was it 216.71? Yeah, in there. So that was my close, and that was a $3.27 move really for all that. So that was in total $2,135. That's it, one and done for the day. Now let's have a look at Netflix. Netflix, yeah, simple. Look, 9:30. Ignore all that, and then you get your first move in here. So your first move could have been here or here or here, really, because I don't like buying on red candles, as you know. So right there, Netflix move. $3.70 move. Okay, loads of money to be made, guys. Trendspotter catching the moves. No shorts. You could have went long again here on NVIDIA. Sorry, Netflix. You can't go short there because it's red. So you have to go over here. Green, long, $3.27, and then you do another $7.65. Okay, anyone unhappy with that? Just let me know. Okay. All right, moving on. We have Roku. Okay, so these stocks have lost so much value. Okay, so 9:30 short, ignore that. Buy, don't go in on a red, but you can't buy on this because the bottom is all red here, as you can see. So when you see this buy signal and it's red, you don't go in. So you're waiting. So this is technically the first buy signal, and it looks like it's a false breakout. What's this? 50 cent, and you're down. Yeah. Okay, so you're lost on that. Okay. What can you do? You win some, you lose some. But you win way more than you lose. And because it's only 54 now, I'm going to close it up for the day. But there's probably a move in it. Let's have a look at this one. Beyond, red, green. There we go. And here is your first buy. Now, if I'm going too fast, I'm just going to explain to all the new people watching the video. You don't get in on the first, don't ignore. The trend meter is kind of the first time we will trade, okay? So after 9:30 or from 9:30, when you see this red, you have to wait for a green reversal, and then you get in on the next buy signal. Now, technically that would be the green reversal if this went long. So what happened here was, there's your green reversal here, as you can see, and then we get in on the long. So there's a $2.45 move on Beyond. Done. It's that simple. Anybody want to kind of reach out to me and I'll explain it to them again. I know some of you were confused about how it works. And also don't forget, you have to have your intraday settings set up here on Tradingview. You have to have extended hours turned on. If you don't have extended hours turned on, you won't get the same candles, because the last candle stops at 4 o'clock the previous day, and then the first candle is 9:30, and there can be all sorts of movement on in the extended hours that'll affect how the indicator works, because it works off candles, like 10 previous candles or whatever. But that's basically it, guys. I'm up 2,135. The whole world is shutting down. The stock market is, yeah, it's doing okay. Like I said, stock market low is bouncing to fine. Anybody need a trial of Trendspotter, let me know. Anybody want to make some money, let me know. Reach out to me and leave comments below or whatever. Okay, talk to you in the next one.